Good morning, bon dia, buenos dias. Welcome to Woodpecker Crafts and Builds. My name is Roger. Let me show you this Ford Econoline I just finished building. Let's go. Okay, so let's start off with the doors. I lined the doors up with some cedar wood. I try to find different color variations of the cedar, a little bit of dark tones, and I found a few whites. The whites I try to put them in between. So as you can see, I kind of lined them up. This door has it too, kind of a little pattern. Both of these woods are the same, so I kind of cut them in the middle so we have the same wood going back and forth on both of the doors. Also put a little circle there, cut out a little circle for the latches, door handle. Got the door handle there. Okay, so now let's talk about the inside. Shoes off, shoes off. So we got the sink here. Everything is cedar wood as well. I treated it to keep it a little bit more waterproof and make kind of the colors pop. And I chose some cedar that had a little bit darker tone to it with a little bit of white, so I could match the, this section here, line it all off. And as you can see, there's two 4-gallon or 5-gallon tanks there. I chose clear this time, white, just so they could see the water, to see the amount that's in there. And basic RV setup for the plumbing. And this was actually really sweet. This is the first time I'm using this one. Usually I do my own kind of setup. This time I chose to go with the RV conversion, and it's really good, really easy to set up, and sink as well. So we got the sink here. It's a pump sink. Oh, there's actually some water. I thought there was gonna be any water in the tube. So yeah, pump sink there, and then it pulls from this one, drains into that one. Add to the sink, and the door comes completely off too, make it easier to switch. I got the Eagle cooler here. The person that's keeping this van, or that owns this van, is going to mostly use it on the weekends and possibly monthly trips, and so Eagle cooler is going to be good. Let's see what else. Toilet is here. Toilet's right underneath. So we got the porta potty there. Let's see if I could open it up. Porta potty, brand new. Porta potty. So this one you could dump, take off the bottom and dump it in a place like another toilet or a section like that. This door comes out as well.
Let's see, here is a pull drawer. So I don't know if you guys seen the other channel, RM Travels, our travel channel. We have a few vans there, and I have a similar setup to this one, but I put a few new upgrades, and that one was made with pine wood. Pine wood. This one's made with cedar. I'm gonna try to put the link above or put the video at the end so you can check it out. Pretty cool van as well, but this one's a little bit more upgraded, like this pull shelf here. So this is one of the upgrades that I installed on this one. I put this little latch here because I wanted to put this little latch on the corner just to lock it in while you're driving, because I wanted to keep these little door handles, I wanted them all to kind of match. And that one opens like that. Stove here. We got the propane tank and a little bit more storage underneath. And then this van didn't have AC. Usually they have the AC unit right here, but this van didn't have it. I thought it was going to have it, but then when she dropped it off, I noticed it didn't. And this gave us a lot of options to make a lot more storage and do whatever I wanted with it. So we put the Goal Zero here. This is a 400. This is a 400 Goal Zero, and I set it up with 150 watt solar panel that's on the roof. And I have the dimmer here. I keep everything off since I wasn't using anything. So you turn the dimmer on. Here's the dimmer switch. So we can show the lights. So we have 4 pucker lights here. And in the back, if you show the back, we got a parrot right there in the back. His name is Jeebus. I don't know if you have met him, but he's always hanging out on the builds and sometimes the walkthroughs. He's starting to get hot. Okay, so here's some more storage. A little lip here just to hold everything in. Some more storage here. I don't know, you could put clothes in there. Clothes in there. Some camping gear. Here's some more storage. I got this van. We put the water port shower, and I just put the water port nozzle and things like that in here just to keep it separate while she's driving. And shout out to Ankeny Builds. I seen the water port on his channel, and I decided to put it on this van. I thought it would be really cool for her to have when she's camping and stuff like that. And I have a little video of me taking a shower with it, trying it out. Let me see if I can add it into the video here so you can see it.
Okay, so the bed, this is a fold-out bed. It's a little bit bigger, it's a little bit smaller than a full. The length is the same. The width, I had to cut it down just a little bit to make it fit on the toilet. She could also use it, you know, she could leave this at home when she's doing some trips and just sleep on this one if she likes, or she could do both of them and open and close the bed whenever she wants. Here is the handle for some little storage. You open that up. You pull the storage out, and I have this one here, and there's the same in the back, and this is about 2 feet here, 2 feet in the back. And the way that you open the bed is you open those latches, and then you open it on both sides, and then you could pull the bed out and it stretches out. And yeah, so she could put some storage here, maybe some camping gear, and then you lock it up. Let's see, in the curtains, I put a few curtains all around the windows here. I left no curtains separating the front from the back because she's most likely going to get reflective to put on all the front windows and the side windows. But yeah, so these are basic white curtains, pull rod, and you just take it apart here. Let me see this boiling snake.
take it apart. I made these little things off of some burlap string and a little bit of cedar wood pieces, cedar wood ends. And yeah, so you just pull it. You got yourself a little curtain on all the windows. Right there next to the dimmer switch. Right next to the dimmer switch, there is a little hole that I put there in case she wants to bring her cell phone wires through to charge it right on top of the table, on top of that counter. And there's also a plug-in that an adapter, an extension cord that plugs from the inside to the outside, so she could plug in hardwired if she wants whenever she gets to campground or wherever she's going. And I like this van. This van came out really cool. I like the additions to the pull-out drawers, because before I do another setup that you open the front lid on the front of the bed, and that's pretty cool because you can put everything in bins in there too. But I like this. I wanted to do something where there's access on both ends, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any comments, anything you think I need to upgrade or what would be cool to try out, let me know in the comments below. There's also the vent air that I forgot to mention. The vent air is to pull all the hot air from the inside of the vent outside, and when me and Myra were traveling, we used that one, and we were set for about 7 to 8 months. We traveled in our van. It was a little bit similar to this one. It wasn't a high top, and we were good to go. Okay, so if you like, go ahead and check out our other channel, RM Travels, if you want to see some travel tips. If you want to see the other vans that the van that we traveled in, other vans that I built, I think I have 3 more on that channel. So check it out and subscribe to this channel so you can get videos on van builds, some woodworking, DIY projects, and a few other things that I enjoy doing. So take care.
Subscribe.